It's a beautiful morning. We done had some coffee. Sunday. I go pick up the kids in a couple hours. So I figured I'm gonna come play on the tractor. Try to move some of this wood around and lay out my track. My shoulder's feeling good. See, I'm using my left arm. It's time to ride. And I'm thinking some big jumps right here in front of the windows so I can make sure I can show off for my wife, because that's what I like to do. When I go ride, I like to go where I got a few eyes on me just in case I crash. And I want to show off a little bit, so I go, but I gotta have eyes on, because just in case I hurt myself, I need someone to come scoop me up. So I'll put the big jumps right in front of the window so she'll be able to see me. Anyways, that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna play on this for a little bit. I'm super excited about this. I'm thinking big old tabletop or triple or something. Just whop, whop. Make some turns back there, some rhythm section, some whoops or something. And then some more big jumps coming this way. Big. I want some booters. That's gonna be fun. All right, let's go. Yo. Found some in the house already. Perfect. Ooh, fire. Get that out of there. Wouldn't you know it? Come outside to go to the bus stop, and there's daggum snow everywhere. We're working on the track, but it starts snowing. Alaska just won't give up. It's like, winter? We're not done. We're not done yet. Oh, look, that's Moose. Right in the yard. That's a little baby. Where's Mom? Well, didn't even see you. We didn't even see you. Where's Mom?
Mom might be over there where the dogs are.
Oh, well, I don't really want to be in between them. Where's your mom at? In the world? Okay. Let's not get run over by Mama wherever she is. That's kind of crazy, huh? Look. I didn't pay attention to us, just looking at them dogs. Well, you good? The dogs are tied up. You safe. That's wild. Look at that big old deer. It didn't even run away. I'm just over here talking and the deer just standing there. That's wild. All right, we'll get today started. Where's your mama at? I'm gonna tell her you're out here instigating fights with my dog. Hey, where's your mama? Where's she at? Is that mama right there? Oh, I think that's mama right there. Yeah, I think that's mama. Mama and baby. Baby's on high alert. There's mama. She watching me close. What you doing, girl? Why don't you get on out of here? Causing a ruckus over there. Got my dogs all in a fuss. Good morning. Cute little deer. Good morning, cute little deer. All right, I'll leave you alone. Okay, bye. Big old moose. Good morning. No, good morning is back. Turds. Okay, have a good day. See you later.